You get to,
Okay.
okay, let's go. We're going to put on this button. All right. You're lining it up, making sure this is lined up with your bottom. It's just a little bit less, so to speak. But first button on, we want the buttons to come up to the top of the buttonhole. So we're going to start this one. Making sure that we're catching it just inside. See? Okay. Now I moved it, I know, but
Okay.
pull up. Come back through. Okay. One more time. And then we're going to run it through to tie it. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so just in case, we'll do it one more time. Take it through. We're going through both those threads. I should have picked up both of them. I moved, I know. Okay? Tie the knot. Then, come back. Put it through the button. Go to the other side. Go back through one of the holes. And then come through. You can come through, or you can do what we did earlier. So this way, came through. I'm going to come back and pick it up a little bit. That was a little bit different from what we had. But see, it's not a big hole, see, because I'm lining it right back up with the other one.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Okay.
And then putting it back through one of these. Keeping it a little loose.
Okay.
And this happens, so it's not, you're just working with it. Come back through. Going through. Or you can just do this.
Catch it. Just catching the
Just
thread.
catch it,
You're not going through the shirt on
I,
that.
I actually did. You
little
can.
bit?
Mhm.
Okay.
You can't really see it that much because your thread is so perfect
Fine.
with your
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
fabric.
Okay.
So come back through, and on that last one, I only do it like this is the third time, right?
Okay.
So then, last time, I hold it,
Okay.
wrap it to form the shank, and then I can hold it once I start it.
Okay.
See, all I'm doing is just moving my finger off and keeping my thumb right there, and then pulling it tight. See how tight that is?
Okay.
See, I'm just wrapping, and then once I've wrapped it enough, then I come back, put this needle through,
The thread and the fabric.
through the thread and the fabric, and pushing it through with my thimbled finger, if I can. This one is, I actually need another thimble. So, one time, come back through, one more, knot, tie the knot right there. Okay, then, see this way we have no loose threads. This is from the start. You can cut that if we want because it's not going to matter. Then we're going to take it through, in between layers. Let me go back. In between layers, so it doesn't, it showed through, right? So that's not what I want.
Okay.
So I want to come back because I can feel it underneath.
Okay.
I'm actually going to go in between those layers of fabric. Okay? See?
Okay.
Nothing there, but there's a needle.
Okay.
So again,
Okay.
so you just don't push it all the way through if you see it. Just come
Okay.
back and feel it through, and then pull it through, and then cut it.
Okay.
And then you can pull that so that thread doesn't show
Okay.
right there. Then that's it. Then you put it through your buttonhole. Done.
Okay.
Come back, lay this like that. Make sure you see how it's still at the top.
Okay.
This right here is still lining up. This looks, and see, it's good you have the shank because that way
It can move.
it can move.
Yeah.
All right, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Come back. See, next one.
Okay.
Pull that over some. That needle through, and then each one you're gonna make sure you have them set until you get
To the top.
to the top. And then for this one, you'll have it lined like this, and you'll move it over just like that, and do the same thing. Pull it up,
Okay.
and that'll get your buttons on.